It's tiny mama. Drinking her little milky. You don't want no more? She don't want no more. Drink your milk, tiny mama. You gotta get her milk. Her little tongue. And she don't like to put the whole nipple in her mouth. She's just getting it from the side. She's so tiny. Huh? She's so tiny and precious. That's why she's called Tiny Mama. This is Tiny Mama. She cold, drinking that milk. She's a big bag. She's a big little bag. She's so tiny. But the other siblings are big Tiny Mama. But the other siblings are big bags. She's freezing. Put her in the cover. She's so little.